We will be going over the assembly of a Freedom Rail single shelf OBox and Big OBox one shelf and its optional accessories. Start by opening the carton and remove all the product. Set the OBox side panels and the top and bottom shelves to one side and the middle shelf to the other. Open the bag marked OBox and set the other bag aside. Unlock all of the cams by turning the arrow so it aligns with the hole. Place the hanging brackets over the holes in the side panels so that all 5 holes are visible. OBoxes have one set of F brackets and a Big OBox has 2. Use the Euro screws and a number 2 driver to mount the brackets to the panels. Install the connecting bolt to the top and bottom shelves. Using a number 2 driver, drive them all in until the cuff on the connecting bolt bottoms out on the shelf. Lay one of the shelves with the bolts facing up. Place the side panels onto the connecting bolts, making sure the edge banding lines up and the cams are facing into the cabinet. Lock the cams by turning clockwise until it cannot turn further. Place the top shelf onto the side panels and lock the cams. When you are installing the shelf, make sure you know what other accessories you will be using. Some accessories cannot be used with the shelf installed, such as the large basket and the paper sorter. Use the existing holes to determine the heights it will be placed. Use a number 2 Phillips head driver to install the 4 Resant bolts. Place the shelf over the Resant bolts and lock the shelf into place with a number 1 screwdriver. To install the chrome baskets, first remove all of the pieces from their packaging. Disassemble the glides by pushing the tab on the inside of the glide and pulling the glide apart. When using a 6-inch basket in the OBox or Big OBox, attach the drawer glide in the second set of holes up from the bottom and second set of holes down from the top. To install the 13-inch basket in the OBox and the 16-inch basket in the Big OBox, attach the glide to the second set of holes from the top. Use 2 Euro screws to attach the glide to the cabinet with the bent tab towards the back. Reassemble the glides by sliding the 2 pieces together. Pull the glides all the way out and hang the basket onto the hooks. To install doors with the soft close hinges, make sure that the center shelf is installed in the OBox. Install the hinge plate into the pre-drilled holes on the panel. Press the plate firmly into the panel and then tighten the screws. Once attached, press the release button on the back of the hinge to detach the hinge cup. Install the hinge cup by pressing it into the door and tighten the screws. Attach the door to the panel by hooking the door onto the front of the hinge plate and snapping it into place. Install the door handles, then adjust the doors until they are visually square. The paper sorter is only available for the OBox. To install the paper sorter, remove all of the pieces from the package. Insert the 16 shelf pins. Hold the panel for the paper sorter in place and insert the 4 shelves.